Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best windshield removal kit is probably one of the most underrated tools in any auto enthusiast's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY weekend warrior, the ability to safely and efficiently remove a damaged windshield is a game changer. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of windshield removal kits, exploring what makes a great kit and how it can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Number 5. Vintage Car Windscreen Removal Tool Set. Introducing a brand new, heavy-duty tool kit. It's designed to help you remove windshield safely and quickly. This set is perfect for classic vintage cars. This kit includes all the specialized tools you need. It makes the process of removing windshields much easier. You'll have everything at your fingertips. This tool set is suitable for a wide variety of vehicles. Whether it's a classic car or something else, it can handle the job. It's versatile and reliable. The set includes a rubber gasket knife, cutting wire, 2 handles, and a wire feeder tool. These tools are essential for a smooth removal process. They are all made with high-quality materials. It also includes a trim pad remover and release tool. This multifunctional design adds extra convenience. It makes the job easier and more efficient. What we like. This kit is a heavy-duty solution for classic vintage car windscreen removal. It includes all the specialized tools you need. If you're working on older vehicles and need a reliable, comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Only use the wire handles, and threading tool. They all worked fine. No wire breaking. No window breaking. Don't saw with the wire. Pull laterally at as shallow an angle as you can. I bought this vehicle window removal kit to remove a back window on a Ford Fiesta at a junkyard and it worked. You have to be very careful and work slowly so you don't crack the window. I recommend watch a video too. Using the wire and 2 handles works, but the wire will break a few times while moving it through the sealant. I then tried the tool with the handle and blade and it took some muscle but got it done without breaking the rear window. Number 4. BILITOOLS 7-piece Windshield Removal Tool Kit. This tool kit makes removing windshields a breeze. It's designed for older cars, making the job much easier. Specifically designed for classic and vintage car windscreens. It's also great for removing tailgate and rear quarter light windows. The pull scraper and pull rope with adjustable T-bar are perfect for cutting through butyl caulking compound. This ensures a clean removal. The reinforced composite handles and heat-treated, chrome steel shafts provide corrosion resistance. This kit is built to last. It includes all the specialized tools you need to safely and quickly remove windshields. This kit has everything you need. The kit includes a 275mm panel removal tool, a 330mm starter tool, cutting wire, trim pad remover, and more. It has all the tools you need. What we like. This kit's simple design makes it easy to use, especially on older cars. The reinforced handles offer corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity. If you are looking for a straightforward and durable kit for removing windshields, this is a great choice. What people say. Did what it said. Really just use the wire and the tool to push the wife through. The double-sided blade works well to pull trim before using wire to cut out. Very strong tools. Not made cheap. I'm happy with it. Number 3. Vintage Car Windshield Removal Tool Kit Set. This is a brand new, heavy-duty tool kit. It includes all the specialized tools you need to remove windshields safely and quickly. The kit is designed for heavy-duty use. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of professional use. This tool kit is suitable for a variety of vehicles. It's a versatile solution for your windshield removal needs. The kit includes a rubber gasket knife, cutting wire, 2 handles, a wire feeder tool, a trim pad remover, and a molding release tool. These tools will help you get the job done. With this kit, you can safely and quickly remove windshields. It's the perfect solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This is a heavy-duty, comprehensive kit designed for a variety of vehicles. It includes all the specialized tools needed for safe and quick removal. If you need a versatile and reliable kit for different car models, this is a solid option. What people say. Great tool to have. Toolkit very helpful in removal of windshield. Works well for my job. Number 2. Auto Glass Removal Toolkit. This auto glass removal toolkit makes removing windshields easier. It's designed for quick and safe removal, saving you time and effort. The tempered steel blade cuts through sealant with ease. The design allows for precise work without damaging your car. The quick release feature allows for easy and efficient removal. This tool is a great accessory for any auto glass repair. This tool is suitable for removing various car components. It can be used on trim, molding, and more without scratching the surface. This kit is a specialized tool for professional results. It helps you safely and quickly remove windshields, making repairs easier. What we like. This tool features a quick-release design with a tempered steel blade for efficient cutting. It's designed for easy and safe removal of windshields. If you like a tool that prioritizes speed and safety, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Replacing the windshield on an old car. Had to absolutely sure to cause no damage. This tool did the cutting removal job without fuss. Worked great on my '67 Camaro. This tool worked very well for me oncio I tried heating the blade. Number 1. Windshield Removal Toolkit, 3 PCS Car Kit. This professional kit makes removing windshields easy. It includes all the tools you need to safely and quickly remove them, even sharp-angle ones. The specially designed tempered steel blade cuts caulk with ease. The trim removal tool helps you get clear access to the windshield. This kit is suitable for a variety of vehicles. The cord clip handle provides a convenient solution for removing windshields from adhesives. The kit includes 3 windshield removal tools. It also comes with windshield wires that can be cut to any length, and 2 sturdy stainless steel T-handles. We are committed to providing the best products and services. If you have any questions about it, please contact us. Our professional customer service team will promptly answer and solve your problems. What we like. This professional quality kit makes windshield removal easy. It includes universal tools suitable for a variety of vehicles. If you are looking for a kit that offers professional results and is easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. The wire is strong and the handles are comfortable. The tools are well made and work great. This kit has everything you need to remove a windshield. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.